a step-by-step guide to the long train dance. So it starts when we're playing the music. You're gonna be out and you go da, 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 2, 3, 4, down, 6, 7, 8. And then each side does their hip movement. So if I'm on the left side of the 50, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the right side does it 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, the hip goes out to the end zone that you're closest to, and you bring it back around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then it's going to be the and 1. So you go rear back and 1, 2, rest on 2, spin on your left foot, 3, 4, and 5, 6, bring it down, 7, 8, across your right side of your body, holding your instrument with both hands. So you do that whole move 3 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, each group is going to hold until every group is done doing that move. And then depending on which side of the 50 you're on, we're going to do the Monty Monty move. Remember, it's you go outwards first towards the end zone and then inwards. So you go left, left, right, right, spin, pivot, turn on your right foot, left, left, right, right. And try to end facing forward with that move. Then comes the sailor kick. The footing goes left, right, left, up, left, right, left, right. Really make sure you bring your calves up for that. So then you do that 4 times. So you go left, right, up, left, right, left, right. And then on the second time, you're only going to stomp with your left foot. Left, right, up, left, right, left. And you hold. And then again, left, right, up, left, right, left, right, left, right, up, left, right, left, up. And then the song continues to the end.